Hi, I'm Pete Whaler. I'm the Pneumatic Product Specialist here at the RG Group, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Parker CPS Continuous Position Sensing Sensor, now available from Parker. As you can quickly see with this sensor, this is installed right into the sensor rail, or can also be installed with a clamp onto the tie rod of any pneumatic aluminum body cylinder with a magnetic ring installed into the piston. And with this sensor, it will continuously monitor as the cylinder strokes back and forth. So programming this is very, very easy. With the cylinder stroke the whole way back, I hold down the teach button until you see the yellow light blink. I then stroke it to its full stroke, hit it again, and once the yellow light stays on continuously, that is your signal that this is now doing a continuous feedback back to your PLC. So the sampling rate of this is 1 millisecond. So every millisecond, this cylinder sensor is sending its position back to your PLC. It has 0.03% full-scale resolution, 0.06% of full-scale repeatability. And it's available in 3 different outputs. It can either be 0 to 10 volts, 4 to 20 milliamps, or as in this particular one, this one is available in IO Link. So for those of you familiar with IO Link, it is a very cost-effective way to quickly add a variety of sensors onto an industrial PLC. So with this unit, again, I'm just going straight back to my PLC, continuously supplying that information right back to my PLC. I don't have any large, clunky can with any special cylinder modification here on the backside. I could use rear-mounted accessories, different things like that to mount the cylinder on the rear, and I'm good to go. It is IP67 rated, so again, it's a lot of different environments. This thing will be just fine with that IP67 rating. And if you need some more information on this sensor, you can click on the link that we will supply below, and it will show you some different CAD files, some different instruction files, and a variety of information on the Parker CPS sensor, now available from Parker.